Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Today's video is a mom vlog. I'm trying it for the very first time. I want to see if you guys actually like these type of vlogs here on my channel. I am a mom of two. I have a son who is 10 and a daughter who is 6. And so I don't normally do mom vlogs just because I'm very cautious about what I put out of my kids. But we're going to get ready to head out to a bookstore because I have a gift card from the PTO. So PTO has given me 3 gift cards to this bookstore. So one is for 10, the other 2 are for 20. So we have $50 to go and spend picking out some summer books. And then we're also going to grab some quick ice cream from a place called Chaps, which is the best in town. And so the flavors that are available are here. So I'm just going to go ahead and give the kids an idea of what flavors are available. And then, yeah, I'm going to get ready to get dressed. So, yeah, get ready with me. Alright, so we're getting ready to go to the bookstore and we're excited. Alright, so it's time for us to get ready to go get in the car so that we can go to the bookstore. The bookstore from our house is maybe like a 2-3 minute drive. We'll have to park in the parking garage and then we'll just walk down to the bookstore and then we'll just get some ice cream.
Wait, we're walking?
It's a nice day outside. Let's get out there. So yeah, the kids are allowed to pick out a book or two, you know, each depending on what it is they really want to pick out from. So they have 50 to use. I'm not gonna. I bought a book from here before. I actually got the Matilda book from here before and a couple of other books. So we're almost at the parking garage now. It's right here on the left next to the police station. So go ahead, honey. Alright, so we've made it to the parking garage.
Push button for ticket or present your card or reservation pass. Take it.
Here's our ticket. Now we can go in and we just need to find somewhere to park over near the steps. So I did find a space right here. So we'll just back in and be on the 2nd floor. Alright, so look over here. We're just out on the 2nd floor. So you guys can see the traffic. I'm not. Alright, let's go.
Wow. On the 2nd.
There's nothing. It's going down. Scott, don't touch that. It's going down a couple steps.
How should we go down?
Just to right here.
Can we go one more step and
Sure. Right there. And carrier storage. Alright, here we go.
Oh, I ran. Spider-Man.
No.
This lady seems more relaxed, and also that one
Figure out.
like her older titles, which
What? Hi. Figure out what you guys want. Looks like there's the chapter books are over here.
English, definitely.
And then some right here. Sky, you want to look over here? Or they have some like right here. Pete the Cat. Frog and Toad. You're looking over there? Okay, fancy Nancy. Oh,
Wait, let me see inside of this book.
here's a Pinkalicious. Pinkalicious.
Wait. How do you
Pete the Cat in the
I'll put you in.
treehouse.
I'm just gonna read it. And see if I like it.
You're gonna read the book for a second? Let's see. Right here, Pinkalicious and the Pinktastic Zoo Day. Like, look at this one. You don't like Pinkalicious anymore?
No.
Okay, they got Fancy Nancy and the Too Loose Tooth.
Well, the only one I like about is wait, where is it again?
What?
This is the mermaid one.
Oh,
So I guess since you said I'm not gonna like that.
they got Pete the Cat. I Wish I Was a Lion. Cats.
Okay, ooh, I want to do this. Yeah.
Look,
I want to do this.
look, the pigeon finds a hot dog.
Yeah.
What'd you find, Cam? Chapter books?
Both are things.
Okay.
This one, the only reason I got this is because I wasn't able to read it.
Oh, this is Clementine. This is Junie B. Jones.
Fancy Nancy.
Fancy. Oh, this is Fancy Clancy right here.
Oh, that's obvious.
Fancy where?
Clancy.
That's obvious.
Not. And then they got Judy Moody.
That's still fancy.
Ooh, look at this one.
Fancy.
Cat.
Wait, what are these? Nah.
And then they got Magic Treehouse books right here. Let's see. Fancy Clancy.
Nah, I want something from
Pearl. Let's see.
Wait a minute.
Oh, mess.
So now that we're out of there, the kids got some stickers.
Yay.
You guys can put these on. And here's our bag of
Here,
books.
put it in your pocket.
Alright guys, so our flavors are banana, birthday cake, black raspberry, black walnut, butter pecan, cheesecake, cherry vanilla, chocolate, chocolate almond, chocolate chip cookie dough, chocolate fudge walnut. They have pistachio, sherbet, strawberry, vanilla, mint chip, Oreo. Yeah. Alright, here we go. Let's go. So we do need masks on to go in here. See the flavors here. I'm gonna get birthday cake.
Oh, a video.
Homemade ice cream. Some ice cream, guys. Go. Why you act like y'all scared to come in the door?
So there's a chance that there will be.
I might try. I don't know. Please see. I got pistachio. Want to try mine?
Me? I will.
It tastes like pistachio.
No, it doesn't.
Alright, so what did you guys think about our outing? Is your ice cream good?
Yeah.
I got pistachio.
Chocolate.
What'd you get? I think his was peanut butter chocolate, and Sky got just regular chocolate. So now we're gonna get back in the car and head it on home. Alright, so the kids picked out these books. So Cam picked out Amulet. He also picked out the Cooper Gauntlet. No idea. Never heard of them before. Sky picked out a book by Mo Willems that's called Because. She also picked out Unicorn Selfies. And she also picked out just a little small beginning how to read book, Fancy Nancy, and The Two Loose Tooth. So thanks guys so much for joining us.
Thank you for joining.
So we hope that you enjoyed our quick day outing as a family of 3. Dad's at work, so this is just what we chose to do. And especially since I had the $50 gift card, I only had to put $3 towards the rest of the payment for the books. So